Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is day 186 of my coding journey. So today I'll be working on a full stack e-commerce site. I told you guys I'm going to go hard this week because I really want to get this project completed. So today I'll be working on this section here, the banner section. I have an idea. I want to do like a subscribe to our newsletter type section. So I'm gonna have, a nice background that I'm hoping to make in Photoshop. I just downloaded this image here, Adobe stock image. It's like a PNG file of a baseball cap that I'm planning on using inside Photoshop here in a second. So what I want to do is, have a background, nice background with like a little cap, and then big input section. And then, it just says something like subscribe to our newsletter for 20% off. It's a little simple. And yeah, let's just see what we can come up with. So like I said, I got this Photoshop open. I'm about to go ahead and try to create this image and see if I can make it. If not, I can just probably just do it inside VS Code. All right, so let's see how we're gonna do this. All right, so 1590 by 300. Let's keep the 300. I think that's a good height. Actually, let's do like 310 maybe. And for the width, we can do like 1500. Probably got to play around with that a little bit. I think that's good. And all right, so I also got my colors open. So I'm thinking about making this the background. I mean, it says background. And then my primary color, and I don't know what this secondary color is. Like, it's not even showing up. I don't even know if that's even a real color. But yeah, let's just see what we can do. So I'm gonna, oh, wrong tool. Deselect that, and let's open this up and fill. We're gonna fill this up with our background color. Fill it up with that. And I do want like a shape or something on the side here. It probably look nice with a circle. So I'm gonna try to do a circle and see if it looks nice. So maybe like right there. And we could just move it over. Let's create a new layer, and then we'll just fill this in with our primary color. Like I said, I don't know if this is gonna look good or not. All right, let's move this over now. Probably could have just moved it over like this. All right, something like that. And let's deselect everything right quick. See how it looks. Deselect. All right. It looks okay. We could probably add a like a stroke maybe. No, whoa, that's too much. Maybe like that. Sorry. I never really liked strokes like that. I can do something a little different maybe. I never really like strokes. I don't think I'm gonna add that. We could add like an inner glow that makes it look kind of 3D-ish. That looks okay. You can also like have the fix the angle up. I mean, inner shadow, not inner glow. But that pink looks so nice. Oh man. Pattern, no gradient, no, none of that. Outer glow, can't really tell. I mean, it gives it a little bit of difference. I'm gonna add that. And we got a drop shadow, which I don't want. I think I'm gonna go with something like that. I think that looks nice. We shouldn't see this section over here. Hopefully. But we'll see. So let me get my image that I got here. Oh, I downloaded all 3 of them? That sucks. I mean, we could just cut it, I guess. But sheesh. I didn't know it did all three. I just need one. Let's cut this one to like right there. Oh, I think I gotta go inside here and do it. Go here. Right here. Get rid of all of this. And then I think we should resize it as well. Get rid of that. And should be like a crop tool maybe. Right there. All right. Something like this. I kind of don't want, whenever I'm working with transparent images, I try to eliminate like the background as much as I can with sizing, because it will take up that space inside of the image that I'm putting it on. So yeah, I just want to make sure everything looks good and crop it. Nice. Now I think all we got to do is just save this like this. And once we save, it should just update in this file once that gets to 100%, because it's a smart object. All right, so let's move this over here. Make it look a little bit 3D-ish like that. Dude, this is crazy. Oh, this looks nice. Holy shit. Okay. Deselect. Well, I made other banners that look nice, but I couldn't use them because of resizing. So I don't even know if I'm gonna even keep this. So that's the only thing. Like, I made other banners. I don't know how to get back to home. So I made this one here, but I couldn't use it because whenever I resize, I must have deleted it. But this was for premium caps as well, and this is the slider. I made this one, and I couldn't use it because whenever I resized the page, it just messed up the image, and I wasn't about to make 100 sizes of those images. So, oh damn, did we lose the file? Okay, so let's just hopefully this looks nice. And honestly think we should just keep it like this and just test it out now since we're here. So let's go ahead and quick export PNG and desktop. And I'm gonna do banner, newsletter, banner, like that. All right, and save. I probably spelled newsletter wrong. And let's minimize that. Get back to our code. And let me drag this in right quick. I got a bunch of images, sorry. Newsletter banner. I'm going to public. Close that up. All right. Okay. Where the hell is the newsletter at? Oh, I just got it on the banner. That's why we're gonna have to change that. We'll change it. All right, so let's see how we're gonna do this. So I want it to be a background image, and I don't just want to just put an image because I think that's what messed me up. So let's do this. So I forgot what we made the width. So we make it like 310, I believe. So let's do a width of 310 pixels. Oh, not width, height. Let's do a height of that. And we're gonna do a width of full. And let's add the background image. I believe we just gotta do like a style. And then do like a background. Background image. And we do like a URL. Forgot how to do this. URL. And then we grab the URL from here. Newsletter. And you just copy relative path, I believe. Something like that. If I'm not mistaken. Why am I getting error? Expected 0 arguments. What? Alright, let's see if it works. I'm getting an error though for some reason. Okay, it's TypeScript error. Alright, it's not there. It's full. You gotta do like background color or something. BG cover. That. Fresh. Alright. While that's loading, I can figure out why we getting this error here. Expected 0 arguments but got 1. Which one you get? Maybe just background. It's like just that. For some reason, guys, I can't get it to show up. I paused the video and tried to get it to show up the background, but for some reason I can't. I found this Stack Overflow of somebody else having the same issue, and the answer was import it, which I did, and give it a width and a height of 100%. So I wonder if it's because I'm giving this a height of 310 pixels instead. So let's remove this. Actually, let's remove both of these and see what happens. That really sucks. I want to see how this thing looks. I don't want to make it into an image itself. That's just gonna screw everything up. So I really want to put it on a background, and I just think that looks so much better. Yeah, it's not working. Fuck. Huh. Newsletter banner. So I'm going to write background image, and we got our component there because we got showing banner there. So showing that. Let me just, yeah. Background. Let's remove this here. And let's give it back our, actually let's give it back our height that we had. Control. Redo. All right. And let's remove this width and height and see what happens. It sucks because I wasted so much time. I was gonna plan to, I thought this video was gonna be maybe like an hour-long video, but wasted some time. So now it's gonna be a short video because I gotta go pick up my son from school. Yeah, this sucks. I'm not sure why the background image not working because it looks really nice. I think this might work, guys. Like, it looks so nice. Like, I really like what I did there. It's got like a newsletter over here. So if I can get this working, I might be onto something. Let's remove this background position. I saw this on another Stack Overflow question. I don't even know what that does. But yeah, it seems like this guy was having the same problem. And this is the answer. I did everything in here. Right. Let's see if any more answers. Oh, hold on. With Nix, I had image in public folder, and then in a style file, I used the following and it worked. The background dash image. But I'm using React. Well, that that's okay. So background dash image. I think that's why I'm messing up there, guys. Hold on. Am I supposed to do it? No. That? We're getting some errors for that. Yeah, that's not working. I think I got it right like that. That's background image. What the hell is he talking about? Background dash image. All the solutions here don't allow the main benefits of Next.js custom image component. So he's using the image component, but the layout is deprecated. Object fit is deprecated. Because I've tried this before on another project that I was doing. So I don't think this will work. Absolute. Okay, hold on. Quality 100. I never seen that one. I'll probably check that one out too. CSS and style. Image, content, background. That's what I probably got to do. This, instead of having it here, maybe just put it inside of my global CSS. So let's try that right quick. Yeah, let's try that. I think that'd be smart to try first before I go. All right. So let's just give this a class name of newsletter. Newsletter background BG, like that. All right, and then let's go to the global CSS and let's add it in here and see what happens. Newsletter .bg and the background image URL, and this will be, I'm just gonna grab the whole entire path. Whole entire path, if that works, and then we'll do background size, I believe it's cover. I just want to see if this works. Oh, not .bg, dash .bg, right? And I probably got to give it like a height as well, actually. So height of 310 pixels and a width of 100%. And now let's see if that works. Now that it has a height. Okay, come on. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, guys. And my computer is going super slow. Whoa, 15%. Sheesh. All right, let me go ahead and close out of Photoshop. I think that's why it's going slow right now. First quit and close out of that. Close out of that. Okay. The background. Yeah, it's not working still, unfortunately. It's showing like, that is so weird. Wait, hold on. Dot slash, dot slash, dot slash, public slash. Now let's try it, because I don't think that image, my image preview over here was working. Now let's see if it works. Come on, man, come on. If this works, I'm going to probably end this video here. I gotta go, and then I'll probably work on this section tonight or I might continue working on it whenever I come back. There we go. Oh my god, it worked. All right, nice. And now, as you can see, now that the background, it doesn't move. Like whenever, like, ah, that's so perfect. That looks nice, guys. Let's go. I'm happy about that. Okay, and we can just keep it like this. And for now, and let me head back over to my blog. I mean, not blog, banner. And yeah, so this would be, so we can keep the newsletter class, and then we can also just add extra classes like flex. We can do a justify center and align center as well, or item center, like that. And let's see where the center is at. Hopefully it's in a good spot. Please. I might gotta move this hat over a little bit, actually, on Photoshop. Play around with it a little bit. Oh, that's perfect. Maybe not. I think this section gotta go a little bit further to the left. So in Photoshop, just make the circle, move it over to the left, probably like, I don't know, maybe like 30 pixels, and then move the hat over as well. That way I can have room to write, you know, the H1 here, and then the input box. And then I think this would be perfect. And then so whenever we resize, this hat would be further inside the middle as well, and then the input would be over top of it. I think that's gonna look really nice. So I'm gonna work on this later. And yeah, sorry I was hoping to finish this, but I spent some time actually trying to get the background, because I normally don't ever use, you know, background images. I just use an image and then flex and then position relative and put the text on top of it with position absolute. But I was actually recommended, you know, start using the background image because it's really handy when it comes to stuff like this, especially using my own images in Photoshop. So yeah, that's it for me today. Sorry for the short video. Was hoping that would be longer, but I'm gonna finish this most likely tonight, and then I'll show you guys tomorrow the results of it. I will see you guys later. Peace.